Welcome, here I've got Vivo Y52 5G and I'm gonna show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit to find watermark and let's pick it. Here, as you can see, we get access to 3 types of watermarks: the time, model and the custom. By using these buttons from the right we can easily turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of them, 2 or 3 at the same time. And let's focus on custom one, because here we can add our own content. When we tap on it, we can write here, for example, hard reset. Now we can save it. And let me keep turning on all of these watermarks to see them at the real picture. So let's move back to the camera to take a photo. To see it, we have to go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how the picture looks like, with watermarks in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to them. So we have Vivo Y52 watermark, the device one, with hard reset, the custom one, and in the second line we have the time watermark. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition, we have to move back to the camera, then to right corner settings, slide down, pick the watermark and manage this as we need, or just turn them off. So for now, when we take another picture, the watermarks should be not visible at it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.